Hello, welcome to Bharani. Today's topic is the adventure of Europeans. First one, Portuguese. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut May 17, 1498. Alfonso de Albuquerque gave them new heights. He captured Goa. Second one is Dutch. Dutch East India Company was formed in 1602. They set up factories at Machilipatnam, Pulicat, Surat, Kasim Bazar, and etc. These all they kept in 1605. Next one is English. English East India Company was formed in 1599. First factory is at Surat in the year 1608. Next one is Danes. The Danish East India Company was formed in 1616. They established settlements at Sirampur, Bengal and Tranquebar in Tamil Nadu. Next one is French. The French East India Company was set in 1664. First factory is at Surat. Some important points. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 between the Britishers and the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajud-Dowla. The Nawab was defeated. Next is the Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764 between the British forces on one side and triple alliances of Nawab Mir Qasim of Bengal, Nawab Sirajud-Dowla of Awadh and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam on the other side. The alliances were defeated. Robert Clive. Robert Clive played the most important part in all this. He is regarded as the founder of British power in India. If you want more disturb about us, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.